Hi, today I want to tell you how I saved $500, at least $500 by not buying a new dryer and fixing my old one. So a few days ago, our dryer broke down and it's just stopped heating the clothes and drying them off. And so our dryer is at least 7 years old and we wanted to change it. But before changing it, it's not environmental friendly. So before changing it, we decided to give it a go and try and fix it. Now, I'm not an electrician and I've never done this kind of thing before, but I wanted to give it a go. So I went to my Amazon and on my account, I looked for the kit and the videos, as we are bound to do. I Google searched it and I found a video on YouTube and on how to change the heating element, because I thought that is probably the reason it's not working right. So on Amazon, there was this kit that was available for replacing the heating element, and there were other parts to the dryer as well in that. So it was a whole kit, and I didn't completely understand what it really does, the whole thing, but I wanted to give it a go. So I went to my dryer and I wanted to check for the number that it is, the model number, right? So the model number can be found on the inside door. When you open the dryer door, there's a sticker on it and it gives the model number. So I went and checked the model number, and mine is Maytag, so I got the Maytag and dryer heating element, right? So I went to Amazon and I found my item number and I ordered the kit. Now let me show you the kit I ordered. So this is the kit I ordered. So I ordered the upgraded version for my dryer. It has a thermostat fuse kit for the part replacement in the dryer, right? Now I got it for about $27 in total because there's a coupon with it, and if you check the coupon, then it gives you another 6% discount on it. At least right now, as of September 2023, this is the offer on it. Now this is what the element looks like, right? So this is what the element is, and this is what I replaced. Now it came with these 3 additional parts, which let me show you what exactly they are. So this part is a high limit thermostat, so that is what it does. Then there is a thermal fuse with it, then it comes with a cycling thermostat, and then there is a dryer thermal. Okay, so you replace it. So now what has to be changed, I will show you in the video as I did the replacement, but I wanted to show you. So like I mentioned, I initially thought that it was the heating element that was burnt out, and so I wanted to replace that, right? But I guess the kit makers anticipated that along with the heating element, these are the other items that can burn, so burned out. So they had already included it, and it turned out it was a blessing in disguise, because when I changed the heating element, which turned out to be pretty easy watching the video, so you can watch my video, or if you just take the name of this product that is there, I will put it in my description link, and just go to that link, and there is a video attached with it of a professional electrician dude who is showing how to change it. So I saw his video a couple of times and I did that, but he only changes the heating element. I have changed all the parts in the machine. So if you want to see how to change all of the parts that are attached in the kit, you can have a look at my video. And then I changed all of them, and it turns out it was not just the heating element that had got burned out, but it was one of these other products that they had included in the packet, and one of those had burnt out. I could never figure out which one, so I changed all of them, and now my dryer works super well, and it's heating better than it was heating before. So yeah, instead of buying a new dryer, I ended up saving and salvaging the one I had, and in the process I learned something new, and I think it'll run for another 14 years, and then there's nothing wrong with the drum, there's nothing wrong with my dryer otherwise, so I think I can make it run up to 20 years, right? So if you want to have a go, have a look at this video, and if your dryer is not working and you want to have it a go at fixing it, then you can see the link in the description where I am putting the link for the spare part. Check your number of the dryer on the dryer of the model number, and then you can go to the shop and you can find the replacement equipment and have a go at it, and maybe it'll work for you just the way it worked for me. So all the best. Okay, before you begin, some obvious things. You should take proper precautions. This is electrical work. Make sure you have disconnected the main plug from the dryer, from the electrical, and your cord is free. Wear proper gloves, wear proper leather shoes, protect yourself, use the proper eye gear, and take every precaution that you need to take to work with electrical things. If you're not sure, you should ask an electrician to help you, and only if you're fully confident you should take the risks. So be aware of all these things before you start this project.